Hello everyone, my name is Love Chisom. On today's video, let me show you how to make this beautiful mesh gown design. Merry Christmas in advance to you all. Let us begin. It's a very quick tutorial. So, quick one, you know how we used to do it now. Draw your starting line with your straight ruler. I'll start putting my body block. So on this pattern here, on making of this dress, I am not going to add any allowance because this fabric is very stretchy, and I made use of a stretchy fabric to turn it too. Okay, so I'm trying to mark my shoulder measurements and neck measurements, neck circumference. So that is what I'm doing here. You can see it here. So I'm not going to put any allowance, please, not even half an inch. Okay, this is my bust point. I'll mark my under bust, waistline, hip line, and the length of my gown. So that is what I'm doing here. If you are sewing a stretchy fabric like this, please make sure you make use of a stretchy fabric too to turn it. I made use of lycra here for the lining. That is I mean the lining. Okay, I made use of lycra here because this is mesh and it's very, when I say stretchy, it's very, very stretchy. So I'm trying to mark out my lines, the body measurements that I've marked out here, the points. I'm trying to mark them out. So this is my bust divided by 4, no allowance. My waist divided by 4, no allowance, please. Hip divided by 4, no allowance. Whatever I have on my hip, I take it down to the length of my gown. So that place is my armhole, 9 inches. So I'm trying to get exactly what I have on my shoulder to my armhole. Here I'm going to divide my armhole into 2, go in by half an inch, and use my curve ruler to curve it. Please, oh guys, I'm using this to curve because after making use of my curve ruler last night, I slept late, so I came out this morning to make this video. I don't know. I couldn't find it when I was making this video, but after this video, I found it under my table. Okay, here we are done cutting. So here I've removed the front piece. Here I want to get the back neck. So I came down by 12 inches. For the back. You know, the back was down more than the front, the back neck. So I go in by 2 inches. I'm also going to adjust this on my front piece. Go in by 2 inches here, and I'm going to curve. Like I told you, I was looking for my curve ruler. I don't know, but I later find it. I was very tired when I was making this video. So I'm going to also adjust it here, going in by 2 inches, then I'll curve. This is the front piece. So this is it. And watch closely how I'm going to cut both the front and back piece on my lining piece too. This is my lycra for the lining. So watch how I am going to place this. So lay your lining first, pick your fabric, place it on your lining. This is the back piece, remember. Let the back side of your fabric, use the back side to lay it on your lining. Now the front side of your fabric for the back will be up. Now you are looking at the front side of the fabric. Now get the your front piece, lay it front side facing right side facing right side. That is what I mean, please. Now it should be right side facing right side. Now pick the front lining and then you place it. I don't know if you are getting me. Place the back lining first. Pick the back piece of pick the back piece of your fabric. Place it on your lining. Make sure the right side is up. Now get the front piece of your fabric again. Place it. Make sure the right side is placed on the right side of the back piece. Okay, that is right side facing right side. Then you pick up your lining again and place it on top. Pin it and you sew. That is what I do. Do not stitch the shoulder yet. Pin it and you stitch. Okay, this is a stretchy fabric. Just as you make stitching it, be careful with it. Now this is what I'm going to place on the front. This is 36 inches, sorry. This is 36 inches. You can make use of 34 inches. The reason I made 36 inches, after pleating, at least it will take 2 inches on both sides. Pleating and stitching may take 2 inches because when by the time you pleat, it will come together and it will short. Okay, this is it. I'm trying to pleat it on the front. Okay, so as you are pleating on 2 sides, the armhole and the neck area, make sure you leave half inch for adding of your for stitching your sleeve and for piping the neck. Okay, I pipe the neck with bias. So before I pipe the neck of this fabric here, I made a small rope and I stitch it at the back, at the neck area on my back. Then pipe. Then I use bias to pipe it. Okay, you will see the rope. Sure, I'm not sure how I did it, but you're going to see it. You will understand it. So also pleat the second shoulder, and then you pin. As you are pleating, please make sure you use your pin to hold it to avoid mistake. So right after pleating, before you stitch, please raise it up and check if the dropping is okay. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to stitch on both sides. I'll also repeat the same thing. I'll pleat the back. So on that neck area up there, before you get to the point of the shoulder, I added a little strap there on 2 sides so that I can tie the back. So I also pleat here. After pleating, I'm going to pipe with bias. Stitch it and pipe with bias. So I'll stitch it, then pipe it with bias. Then I will join the 2 shoulders and stitch. So this is my sleeve. This is my sleeve. Please, on cutting your sleeve, do not add allowance. I have a tutorial on how to cut sleeve. Please, you can go there and watch it. Just come down by 4 inches here. Measure like up to 10 inches, but I made use of 9 here. Then you curve. Then measure the length of your sleeve. So I did not, as you can see, I'm demonstrating there. I did not add any allowance. So I've added one of the sleeve. I'm going to show you how to stitch the second one. So this is the rope that I was telling you about that I added. That's it. I added the rope. Then pipe with bias before stitching, before joining the shoulder. Added the rope, pipe with bias on both front and back, then stitch join the shoulder together. So I've added one of the sleeve. Now I'm going to add the second sleeve. So this is the rope that I was telling you. You see where I placed it, so that I can be able to tie it at the back. It will give it another design. This is my Christmas cloth though. So me, I know they worry myself for just so small something and wear. That is it. Just look clean, apply your perfume, look good, smell good. So this is the sleeve. Please, as you are stitching, just be stretching it a little. If you pin it and check that your sleeve will not reach your armpits, that is at the end of the armhole, you just drag it a little. Just be dragging it small, so that it will fit in. So this is it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and drop your comments. See you in my next one. Bye.